Guys, welcome to another unboxing. Let's see what's in the package today. It's a little bit harder to get this one out. Fantastic, well packaged though, and was not beat up. Here we go. This is similar to another one that I got previously, and what it is a VR remote. It did say black, so the picture is white. We'll have to see if the actual remote is black, and turns out that it is. Fantastic. Let's see if the instruction manual. The instruction manual seems to be exactly the same as the other one, with the simple difference that this one's kind of like set up in a different direction as compared to the other one. But as you can see here, they're exactly the same in every other way, including I think all the buttons, except it's easier to read these buttons here. Are they both plastic? Plastic and plastic. They feel the same. Yep. Alright, so this one has a lot of problems connecting up to your device. You have to have a full battery to make it even run and connect. So we'll see if this one does a better job of connecting up. Let's see as far as the batteries go. 2 AAA, same as the other white one. So we'll just have to see which one works better. I do like that you can see the letters and the @ sign much better on this black one than you can on the white one. Good job on that. So I would say that this seems to be better quality from that perspective. We'll just have to see how well they connect. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.